Hi, welcome back to our channel. My name's Annabelle. James is currently looking at his car doing something, but we're just as wondering. Welcome back to the channel. We are today hoping to change the carpet in the van because our roof vent, which is here, wasn't sealed. It's now sealed, we think. And we've now got to change the carpet because it got a bit damp, and we have had it in here for about 4.5 years. So we are currently undoing all of this because it's actually screwed into the wall, and we've got to basically empty the van, recarpet and put the stuff back together, which is fun. So let's go. So just a quick update, I've undone 2 screws from back there, which I don't know where the thing's gone now. That one's not attached. That one's undone. These 2 are undone. So now I'm just undoing some of this, because when you pull it away, I think because this is a bit slanted, it's actually rubbing on it. So I want to just take it off because it's just a quick and easy fix to put it back on. So I'm just going to do that now. And then hopefully the whole thing will just pull out. And hopefully it won't fall apart. Nearly there. It is loose now, but now we've just got to take out the electric. So I've just got to undo the 2 screws and whatever it's attached to behind, and then we can get it inside. So, we have got the kitchen out. Put you on a zoom out. Got the kitchen out, and now we need to get this out, the whole thing. But to do that, we've got to come under here and somehow take out this, which I'm going to leave to James. Just unhooked the battery, which is positioned down there. So now this whole L-shaped situation can actually come out now, so James is going to unlock the gate, so we can put it behind there, and then we can just literally rip the carpet up, recut it, and then go put it back in. Woohoo! And just like that, it's gone. Woo! That scared you? But yeah, we left these in here because we kind of built on top, but oh well. Yeah, cleaning. Look how filthy it is. It really did need changing. So I'm going to pull the carpet out, recut the new one, and then whack it in. Bye! The floor's out. As you can see, where the roof vent was leaking, it's damp.
Okay, so because of it, we've had the leak from here.
Wow.
Which has been leaking onto here. You can see it's slightly damp. Don't really want to have anything damp under the carpet, so we are going to B&Q to get some replacements of these. Which are
his fancy new ruler.
60 centimetres.
By what, James?
That's not quite long enough.
By two rulers.
60 by 2 rulers.
By 60 by a metre.
Yeah.
Yeah?
60 by 2 rulers.
Okay. Got to bring the ruler with us.
We'll bring the ruler with us.
Right, we're going to shoot to B&Q, get some more wood, replace this, which is just 3 pieces of ply with some sort of plastic covering on the top. It's MDF. And then we're going to recarpet. B&Q, woo! and we've decided we're going to paint as well. We've gone for this colour. We have the board. Now, will it fit in the TT? Do you put the chair down? I don't think so, it's bending. I don't know. Who knows? TT.
Elegant.
It's the only way you can get it. It's the only way you can get into a TT. So cold. So what I've done is I've just filled little bits that needed filling because obviously it was a bit messy, and then we had a huge hole which was there. So I've just filled that, and any other little bits that I don't think we use, but I think I've filled a lot that we do use, so oh well. But anyway, other story is James locked us out of the house, so he's now had to go and get a spare key from someone that we have a spare key with, and he's cycling there, so we're delayed because the paint's inside and I'm stuck outside, so I'm sitting in the van with my heater on waiting for him to come back. We're back in the house. James is a mess. But rolling out the carpet. The old carpet on top.
If you've now had the carpet before, there's normally the rubber bit inside the van for the loading area. That's what we use to cut out the first
Yes, there's normally like this rubber
mat.
mat thing that was in the van. If you're lucky enough to get one, then all we literally did was use that rubber thing to draw this out, and then now we're going to use this thing to draw this out. So, where your new stuff will be.
We missed a bit! Oh no, we didn't.
We haven't. We should have a template of some description. Yes.
Template.
Now we just cut. After you finish, you should have something like this. And for some reason, he
I fell over again.
feels the need to play with this. So before we put the carpet back in, we're going to just paint all the vans. So here's a video of me painting the van. Pretty boring, but you know, you get the gist of things. But basically we painted all of the wooden parts blue, and then yeah, we'll wait a little while and fit the carpet. Just finished painting, I'll show you it in a second, but we're going to wait an hour for it to dry, although it does say 10 days. I don't know who would buy paint that would last, not dry, that same day or 24 hours later. 10 days this one takes. But I'll show you it now, but you can't really see because it's dark in here, but I'll show you it now. It looks like this. At the minute it's very, very bright, but we are obviously having the wood and everything back here, but... Oh, hiccup. We're going to let it dry for a little bit, have a break, and then come back and do the floor. Update. We've got the cable down there because we didn't want to... I didn't do that. Because we didn't want to run it across the bumps in the bottom, because we don't want to be standing on it all the time and crushing the cable. So we're going to leave the cable as it is for now, because that's all still wet. And then...
It's damp, baby.
And then next weekend, when we come to tighten up the kitchen,
it's dry, baby.
What?
When it's dry, baby.
We're gonna put put the screws back into the kitchen
We're
cabinet.
gonna screw the kitchen cabinet, baby.
Are you high?
I think so, because this stuff here. This smells.
Anyway, we're gonna wait till next weekend, so leave the cable there. He is definitely on something. What the hell?
Look at the llama.
Oh, right. No, the camera can't see the shadow. Jim, the camera can't see the shadow.
The camera must be able to see it.
No. You just look absolutely crazy.
The camera must be able to see it.
The camera can't make the shadow. The camera's making the shadow, Jim, so of course it can't. Oh no.
Insert a clip from James's phone.
I can see falling now. The rain has gone.
It's gonna be a bright,
It's gonna be a bright, bright,
sunshiny day.
sunshiny, sunshiny day.
Sun shining somewhere, we're ruining it.
Sun shining in the sky.
I think we're gonna have to cut it.
We'll have to cut it.
He went ahead without the pen. He's angry. I'm gonna take that one out now.
You don't know what you're doing.
Oh, fire! How's it going?
I've lost it.
Carpet is on the way. Blends in. Oh, right. This isn't ideal. Nope. Not good. Right. Let's go. I brought carpet.
Carpets and fire do not mix well.
I think it's that way round. It's like that somehow. Can I stop recording?
Yes, because I'm recording, because I'm a professional.
I'm gonna put the flash on.
Going to be oh, yeah, this tape.
Now we've got to shuffle this, as James would say. All the bits for them are in there. Because you see these holes? There. Don't. See these? There's some screws for there.
Okay.
I don't think they're going to go in now. Look where you've what the wood's doing.
We can nudge it back.
Well, look at your side. Have you? I've got no shoes on. Can you go? They're in the house. Oh, you've got carpet. So now we've got the carpet in, we're just going to put everything else back in, as in furniture wise. So here we go.
Can't see what I'm doing.
Well, come on. Mr. Bean. There's battery. Why doesn't it want to come in then? Oh, there we go.
A bit more in.
Into that corner. There we go. You missed all of that, but we're in. Okay.
Yeah. A dry down cloth.
Yeah.
Close doors.
Looks nice though. Looks so much bigger without that bit there. Now lifting this back in. Ready? Go. Go, 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 go. Okay, I can't. Can't help it. Candle, doesn't matter. It's a bit more your way, isn't it? Right there. Yeah. Ah, we have new carpet. Crap in this lighting, but very wet. But new carpet. You have to connect your shoe. You have to close the door. You have to dry him down. Oh, it looks quite cute them colours against that, really. Ta-da! New carpet. Bit of my best. I like it.